Alright guys, so today what I'm going to be doing is I have to go and fix one of the coolant lines that I just broke on the heater hose because I was trying to move it out of the way. My bad, whatever. And then I got to go pick up my heat shield. So that's what's happening today. And figured I'd show you guys my panel since I talk about it a lot and I haven't really showed it much. But yeah, that's getting painted next week apparently. So I just fixed my blow-off valve. It's releasing perfectly now. I started off with a 11-pound spring. Didn't work, so I grinded it like I read on one of the forums. That didn't work. It was now too little, and I had to put a shim in it, and that was okay. It still wasn't perfect, but it was okay. So I was like, screw it, do it right. Got the 10-pound spring. 10-pound spring was too light, and then I put a shim in it, and now it's perfect. And my car is idling around 19 pounds of vacuum. Not boost, oh my god, that'd be horrible. A vacuum. So yeah. In case you guys ever want to run a tail blow off, that's what you're gonna need. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but I don't know if I mentioned it or not. I tried to bend these a little bit. Didn't turn out too well. I ended up cracking, and as you can see, it's leaking. So before I can really go and drive this to get my heat shield, I have to go and get a little adapter so that I can make them connect without going through the heater core. It's not gonna be a problem. I'll get it fixed before I go to the track, just in case I need to use my heater core in case I'm overheating or something. But it's just temporary for now, just so I can get it to get the so I can get my heat shield test fitted. So things you gotta do to get things done. All right guys, so just got back, well, just finished putting this is the finishing touches on the heat shield. I just need to put the gold, reflective gold on there. This is how it's looking right now. The welder, well, did okay. You only welded half of it. I mean, it'll be fine. And there's a hinge on there. I don't want to talk about it, but I'm not too happy about the guy that made this. Just didn't do that good of a job, obviously. Like, look at that. I mean, the welds aren't bad, but fuck, at least finish it, right? Whatever, it'll do its job. I mounted it here and down there. As you can see, weld the brackets on, and you can see that stupid fucking hinge. I gotta do something about that. That's gonna absolutely drive me nuts. I hate it. It looks so stupid. Why? Anyways, yeah, it's not touching. She close, but we're good on that. Give me asbestos or look like fiberglass to shove in between there. I'm not gonna do that because I'm not gonna crack the shit out of my manifold for no reason. I am gonna wrap it with the reflective gold. But yeah, it'll look like that on the inside. Yeah, it's mainly just to protect everything. Reservoir for the brake fluid and all my lines back here, which it'll do a great job. As you can see, there's my little fix for breaking the, I cracked that one right there, that brass hose. That one, the one beside it, it's cracked. So whatever, it is what it is. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go out for dinner real quick, so I'm gonna wash up and shit, and then I'm gonna put on this reflective gold here. It's made in China, straight Amazon. I mean, it holds up. This is the stuff I bought before. It holds up, does its job. That's all I need it to do. So we're at the next day again. Well, actually we're like 2 days later. I don't know, Saturday, I don't want anything. But today, I got my nut for my screamer pipe because I dropped that and lost it completely. So now I got to take out the heat shield, and then I'm going to wrap it with the special reflective gold so that it's not transferring any heat to behind where the hoses are. And then I'm gonna put on my screamer pipe, which I got in here. I just got it ceramic coated. Not the cleanest welds, but you definitely don't see it, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, let me get this heat shield off. All right, so this is my screamer pipe, since I don't think any of you have actually seen it, like out. But yeah, it's pretty sick. They opened it up at the bottom just to allow more airflow to pass through. It's nothing too fancy or special, but does its job. And now it won't get too hot either. So I'm gonna go throw this on real quick. So as you can see, the screamer pipe's on. It did not want to go on very nicely. That did not want to tighten up this V-band clamp. So that was a huge pain in the ass, but I got it with some channel locks. But now I just got some grease and wax remover on here, and I sanded the inside because I'm more focused on the inside than the out. But I just wanted to wrap it just to be safe because I have enough, and you know, might as well do it right the first time. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this reflective gold stuff on it now, and get back to you guys when I'm done that. So there it is, guys. Around here, I kept it about half and half just to keep the temps as low as possible. So it looks pretty good, actually. The front looks good. The back I did first so that the front would look better. So it overlaps on the top and the bottoms and stuff. So what I did is I did the back side first so it would overlap, and then I came, because you don't see it as much as you would see it on this side. See how you don't see it? So you only see this little lump there instead of all that. That's why I did it. But yeah, it's not my cleanest job I've done in the world, but it'll do. And guess you guys will never know if I got rid of that hinge or not. No, it's still there. I'm just fucking with you. At least it's hiding that monstrosity Buddy did. That's all that matters, really. Yeah, I'm gonna go throw this back on the car and see what else I gotta do. So the heat shield's on. Put some of that rubber around it just to keep a better seal all around. I don't know how well it's gonna hold up to the heat. But oh man, that looks so good. I'm not doing it because it looks good. I'm doing it because it's supposed to actually have some effects. And everything's so tight, so I want it to actually not burn through my hoses. So this is my last resort. I'll do a test like in here, like, so when I put my hand out here, I can feel like the heat from everything. But when I put it in here, it's just normal temperature almost. It does work, so we'll see how well though. Since it's kite open in this spot there. But anyways, it doesn't look too bad. I'm getting pretty hungry, so I want to go eat something. But yeah, fuel pumps next, and some other things. Lots to go, like always. All right, so I got a comment saying to add some intros and outros and whatnot, and just to do some better editing. So what I did is I got a whole new software, and I'm trying it out right now. And so put in the comment section below what you guys think about the new intro and outro. I can always change it up if you guys don't like it. If you do, it's just something basic for now. I'm seeing how I like it for now. If you guys, you know, just some feedback, that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.